everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are gonna see some replacement of very words. Like we use very good, very bad, very ugly, very angry. So we will use some words in place of very words. So let's start. Our first one is very angry. So we will use furious in place of very angry. Example, I was late and he was furious with me. I was late and he was furious with me. Next word, very big. We will use massive. We know that little changes can make a massive difference. Next word is very difficult. We will use arduous. Example, it was an arduous climb up the mountain. It was an arduous climb up the mountain. Next word, very dry. We will replace it arid. Arid. Nothing grows in this arid region. Nothing grows in this arid region. Very calm. We will use serene. Serene. She has a lovely serene face. She has a lovely serene face. Next word, very ugly. Hideous. Hideous. She saw a hideous face at the window and screamed. Very quiet. Hushed. Hushed. How we will use in a sentence? Hannah asked in a hushed tone. Hannah asked in a hushed tone. Next word, very wet. We will use soaked. Soaked. Example, his skin and his skin and clothing was soaked with demon blood, and Ria gave him a long face. Next word, very small. We will use petite. Petite. Example देखते हैं. Her petite and shapely body was clothed in a jeans and a tank top. His petite and shapely body was clothed in a jeans and a tank top. Last word, very bad. We will use awful. Awful. Example, I know something awful happened to Ria. We have lots of words we can use in place of very. So in this video में इतना ही. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.